Welcome. I'm Emmett with Habitation Realty. I am here in the heart of Tucson near Country Club Central. So here is a gated entry. You have a nice driveway here. And we are at a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom brick home. And it has plenty of character inside. As you can see, there's some desert landscaping over here. And then we'll go straight in. We're gonna hit the bedrooms on the right first. So, as you can see, here's a nice spacious living room. Here's your bathroom over here. Full shower and tub. You have some shelving here. You also have your furnace over here. Both sides. And then here is the bigger bedroom. You could definitely fit in a king size bed and have plenty of room. And then a closet over here on your right. Here's your linen closet right here. And then here's your other bedroom. You can definitely fit in a king or queen size bed. You have a slightly smaller closet. You have a nice grapevine curtain door. And then you also have mini splits over here. And then going back to a living room, you have a mini split straight ahead as well. And then I'm gonna swing toward the kitchen. You have a nice dark teal blue. You have some shelves here. So gas stove range, oven, microwave, cabinets, some shelving here, double sink, and you also have a dishwasher here. And then you have your refrigerator, freezer, plenty of space around here. And then here's the outside. And also here's your washer and dryer set. Water heater's right back there. As you can see, it's a nice big backyard. As you can see here. And you have a grill as well. And you also have some coverings over here. And some storage as well. And that completes our walkthrough video. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to rent with us, you may put an application at habitationrentals.com. Otherwise, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.